Bitey time.
So they're just rigging up my vein, my blood vein. Getting ready to die.
That one.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good. I mean, we can position her.
Yeah, you're going to have
help the situation.
Yeah.
So we should get Taika in here and maybe get the posse.
Yeah.
You're operating it all the way from over there.
Okay. We're set. Okay, we're all good.
Oh. Well. Oh. Help! Someone have an accident in here! Blood is lab! Margaret, you okay? There, go.
Got there.
Yeah, might just hold on that. This is what they did with some stools there. 1 second.
I'm going to scare Nick by climbing out of his backpack around his neck and giving him the fright of his life.
Normal black ones.
Push back on. And then push back. And then just pulls it out.
Stay below the waist.
Yeah. So just practice seeing how far you can get your thing in. Because essentially it's just about this. Yeah, just seeing that. And like, you know, this is going to fight you off a bit and then he's going to twist us out. 3, 2, 1. Possibly one of the most exciting parts of the film would be doing a fight scene in a rotating corridor with Corey.
Stand by, you right, Moose? Okay, you go back there, guys. Here we go. Rotating back.
Hollywood.
Yeah.
Camera further away, so you see more. That was pretty good. That's great. It's this thing with catching the camera after the time tricky. Now, John.
And in 3, 2, 1, action. Go! 3, 2, 1, action. Cue.
Get up, stand on the seat like a man!
Just going to do a bit of a fire burn test for young Ben over here. Yep, let's do it. All right, top on. Yep, other headache. Here we're coming in. Make sure those hands are really gripping and the head's really dripping. Okay. All good, man? Are we ready? Get the blankets all ready. Ben, come on over here. Luke. Luke. Lighting up. Stick a little cardboard, mate. Don't worry about that, mate. Okay. You getting burnt? How's it feeling? It's good. Okay, walk around just with a slight touch. Come closer. Good. 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 Okay. And that should be enough time, I think.
Yeah, I reckon.
What do you reckon?
Get hot on the knees. Okay, T-pose.
Hot on knees? T-pose. Legs. Attack from the front there, from the back. Make sure the top, yeah, that's good. Get the pants right up high. Okay, big down. You get ready. Come out. Going for it. Going. Good. Right. Okay. This one. Is that how you going? Okay.
I'm going to do the cravat after the quiet phase.
You see the werewolves? You can tell them from the hair on the face and the strangeness of the face. Don't move.
party that Nick got invited to. It's like some kind of yearly vampire party thing, and he said I could come along. So yeah, that's tonight. So I'm pretty excited about that. Not quite sure, obviously, like who's going to be there, but yeah, like it's cool going to parties. So looking forward to it.
Everything looks as good as it tastes.
Weighty. Such a fun process.
Hi, my name's Stu. I'm a software analyst. I work for a geographic information systems company. Basically, we take like business requirements from organizations and we analyze those requirements and then we build software. Enjoy it!
And action.
Killing him. He's killing him.
They smell bad, like they lick their bodies and they don't wash. They roll in animals, like a rat or something, and stink up the place. They stick their nose in your crotch. Who does this? They smell your ass a lot.
3, 2, 1, action. And we're rolling.
I'm Stu.
Stu.
Yeah.
What have you done to your face?
Oh, I was up in Mount Victoria the other night.
You might come and go.
Oh, I kind of change in and out.
I think so.
Right.
Yeah.
Drop.
My character's name is called Nick. He's starts off as a human, but then gets bitten by Pete the vampire, and kind of realises that he's got no one else to hang out with apart from vampires. And these are the only vampires he knows, so he kind of clings onto them without them really wanting him to hang out. And he's a bit annoying, and he's young and he's naive, and he drinks a lot and embarrasses the other vampires, especially Deacon. But I think there's some kind of maybe a sincere quality to him, because he's showing them a new way to live and introducing them to new things that they've never really seen before.
But yeah, if we tape it along the side there.
Can you guys do me a favour? Go outside to make sure you're wearing something.
And in 3, 2, 1, action!
Oh.
Are you okay, Nick?
There's the chip. There's the chip, Nick.
Holding, DJ. It's almost holding. It's not really thing.
I see sharps in the sky.
Line up, go.
And camera. And action.
What the fuck? You better go. What I was meant to sparkle. Come on.
Well, the thing is, personally, I don't really like werewolves. They're stinky. They roll in dead animals so that they turn up to a house or to your place, stinking of a dead, rotting flesh. No one wants that at the dinner time. So no, unless you had a werewolf like Lassie. Do you know Lassie?
No, I don't know Lassie.
Lassie is a very cool dog that saves lives and looks after the children.
Oh, okay.
So you could have a dog like Lassie, who could turn into a human, who would be a mate, and then go a bit feral, but go save children or go pull children from fires and things.
Yeah.
So if that was the sort of animal, then probably, but the chances are very low.
Yeah, of course, yes.